Hey designers, let's create flat road illustration. Pick the pencil tool. Draw a random shape of the road. With the selection tool, make a duplicate of this line. Increase the stroke weight. Go to Object and expand it. We want to make this shape a bit more thicker, so go to Object. Path. Offset path. 54 pixels. OK. Select it. With the help of Shape Builder tool, unite them. Give it a color. Go to Object. Path. Offset path. OK. Color it. Group them. Select this stroke. Bring it to front. Align it to the center of this shape. Give it a white stroke. To make the line dashed, go to Stroke Properties. Check on this dashed line. Adjust the value. OK. Your flat road illustration is done. Like this video and subscribe.